In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Face ID and passcode. Then enter your passcode and tap on Setup Face ID over here. Then hit Get Started. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now we use one of those options if you want to, for example, add your Face ID with a mask. And when you're done, hit Continue, Done, or if you don't want to do it now, just click on Setup Later. You can also tap on Setup an alternative appearance and add your Face ID again. Or manage all of those options over here by clicking on the switchers next to the chosen ones. When you finished, just go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!